My secret of trading. Hi, my name is Camila and today I'm gonna tell you about my secret of trading on binary options. So we're gonna start as usual. We're gonna choose the assets with the biggest payout to our screen. We're gonna highlight them with these stars, so as much as possible to fit in our screen. Then we're gonna have the candles for 30 seconds and we're gonna have the trades for 1 minute. That is optimal for me because I have time to explain to you as much as possible information in the video. And also I have two indicators. It's gonna be oscillator, average true range, and now I'm thinking that we're gonna have it more interesting. We're gonna have 3 indicators, and also we're correcting the period of them so they gonna synchronize. That one of the secrets that I'm using, that I'm synchronizing all the indicators, that they are gonna help me to understand what's happening on the market. And also I'm changing the style so it's visually more comfortable for me to understand what's happening and watch the videos. So let's correct it to the 7 and the styles to the 2px, that it's more comfortable for me to do. Let's start. Let's find the asset with the finest situation for us on the market, and let's start. So let's see what's happening here. I'm thinking that probably this one is looking nice. So we are going for 1 minute deal for high point, and that I'm gonna tell you why. So first of all, we're looking on the oscillator and we can see that we have the buyers on the market that showing us that we have this moment to going upwards. Also on the average true range we have this tail that is showing us that we can go higher, and also on SSY we are near the highest line, the main line, and also our tail is going upwards. And now let's look to the candles and what's happening right here. As we can see this tail on the candles that's showing us that we try to go downwards, but guys, it's not working for us today. Also we can see the tendency, the flow of the market that went downwards to the row, and already we're having the profit, guys. That is amazing. Just so easily, just 3 indicators, understanding 1 point, and you already have the profit that easily. So let's continue on the same market. For example, let's put $250 and let's continue. We continue to use these indicators. We can see on the oscillator that we still have the buyers who putting the price upwards here. Also we can see on SSY that this tail is going upwards in the same line with the main line of the indicator, and also on average true range we can see that the tail is really flexible. Also we continue the strategy for going upwards because we have here the zone of support, and we can highlight it too so we understand what's happening. So we're having the zone of support right here. We're not going down from this zone, and also I'm thinking that we have zone of resistance right here, and we're going through it really carefully, as you can see for yourself. So just a few seconds, and guys, we already having the second profitable deal in a row, just so amazingly easily. So let's continue. I think even on this market we can continue. Let's just wait till this candle gonna close up, because sometimes that is a turbulence zone. As you can see on the oscillator, we have the moment that the buyers are pretty escaping from this asset. That can be a little problem for us, but I don't think that it's gonna be the real one. So I'm going for lower, and I'm gonna explain to you why. So as you can see, we have this candle with this big tail that's showing us, okay, we tried higher but it's not working for us, we're gonna go downwards right now. Also on the indicators we can see that we are having this tail on average true range that going downwards, and also on SSY we have this tail that is going flexibly to downward situation, and also also we can see that we are going downwards. We again had this tail on the candles that showed us, yes, we tried to go higher, but unfortunately that is not very convenient for us. So we are going downwards in the moment, not very confident as you can see, but still we are going downwards on this moment. Oh my god, that one is tricky. And guys, we had the third profitable deal in a row, guys. That is amazing. Okay guys, so let's continue and find the best situation on the market. I think that is really easy, but today you can see the market started to be not really predictable one in this area. So let's just see. So I'm thinking that here we're gonna go higher. So first of all, we have this trend line that's showing us that the price is moving higher. Also we have the support zones right here that's showing us that probably we won't go downwards from here. And also we have that resistance zone that we're probably gonna try in our area. I'm thinking like right somewhere right here. And also on oscillator we can see that we have buyers on the market. On the average range we have this flexible tail and breaking line moment that's showing us that we can go higher. And also on SSY we can see that we are heading to the main highest line that's showing us that the price should go higher. Also in this I changed the time for 2 minutes, that we have 1 more minute to explain everything. We're working with the curves here. You can see it for yourself that market is very curvish today on all types of assets. And let's see what's happening. We have the really difficult situation kinda. So we have this kind of full tails, kind of full candles on the market that's showing us that we can go higher and we can go lower, but we're not pretty perfectly understand what we want to do. And now we can see that this tail showing us that downwards is not working for us, that we want to work only upwards. We tried the downwards position and it's not really convenient for us, that probably the price gonna go higher, but we cannot be really able to catch this moment. So let's just see. Okay, you can see that we didn't have the profitable deal right there, but you're gonna see that the price gonna go higher just in few seconds on this asset, because we had this tail that's showing us that the price downwards is not really working for us. And it's okay, sometimes the unpredictable situation on the market happens and it's okay, it happens. You just have to be focused and understand everything. So we already have 3 profitable deals in a row and I don't think that is a critical situation, but let's just use the martingale strategy and put $500. So we're gonna earn our non-profitable deal back. Okay guys, so let's continue. Even that we had non-profitable situation, that is nothing scary in it. So we're gonna use the martingale strategy, double up and go downwards for this way. So first of all, I can see the average true range tail that's showing us that the price is falling down. Also on SSY we can see that we are heading to the lowest line, the main lowest line on the market. Also we have these few resistance zone upwards that's not putting our price higher, and this support zone that we can try to reach on our market. So let's find this support zone, the closest I think that we're gonna try and to go. And also I think that we're gonna try to go lower maybe, but just few seconds later. So let's just wait and see. Also we can see on this candle that we have this tail that's showing us that yeah, we tried the higher moment, but it's not very comfortable for us. We're gonna go lower. And guys, we already reaching in the support zone, so we're gonna try it out again. So let's just see that our candle is trying to reach out this support zone, but let's just see what's gonna happen in few secs. So we still don't have a lot of buyers on the market, and we still have the average true range downward, but the SSY showing us that some of the buyers are probably came in but not very confident. We again having the tails that showing us that, well, the highest position is not really comfortable for us right now, so we're probably gonna go downwards. And we have 16 seconds till the candle gonna close up, and I think we are in the kind of safe position for the profitable situation right now. And guys, we already have this profitable situation, and that is amazing, guys. We finally have the profit, and that is just wonderful. So we closed our non-profitable deal and have profit again. I think that is just amazing, and in terms of this uncomfortable situation on the market, that is just amazing. So let's make one more deal and have them one more profit today. I think it's gonna be lit. So let's find out if we didn't lose the prices. So let's find out what's happening right here, for example. So we are going upwards, but for example, let's put 1 minute again for $500, and I think that we're gonna go downwards. So let's see why I'm thinking this way. So first of all, we don't have a lot of buyers. We can see that on oscillator. Also, we have the average true range showing us that the tail is going downwards, and SSY showing that we went through the main line from the lowest, but we still not very confident in that position, so we're probably gonna go downwards here. And also we can see that we had this tail from the highest position that showed us, well, we tried that what's not really comfortable for us, so we're probably gonna go downwards here, and it's okay. So the market is not pretty stable today. It's very tricky. So in this situation, you have to be really focused on what you do and analyzing everything, because even now I'm a little stressed in this situation. And oh my god, guys, we have the profitable deal again. So as you can see, my secret in the trading is using few indicators in one time. For today it was free my favorite indicators. Also, I'm using technical analysis with support zone, resistance zone, the flow of the market, the curves also, and that is my secret in trading. And if you want to grow your capital, don't forget about my free Telegram channel where I give free signals so you can trade online with me. Also, don't forget about my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, put the likes on, and put the notifications on so you won't miss my interesting and useful video. My name is Camila. Bye bye.